All right, boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a fun video, and if you notice the difference here, Morgan's in the driver's seat, and we're in the Corvette. The fun part is Morgan swears she can drive a stick.
I've driven a stick. I don't know that I can drive a stick.
The Corvette is my daily driver, and she has a RAV4. It's rare that I've taken the RAV somewhere else and Morgan's home alone. For honest safety reasons, I want her to be able to drive the Corvette in an emergency. Now, I can't imagine she's going to be taking this out, for fun. She kind of hates the car. So we're teaching her how to drive a stick today. The goal by the end of her lessons, and I don't know if this is going to happen in this video. I'd love to see it happen in this video.
There's going to be part 7.
I want to see her do a burnout.
This is my unamused face. I feel like we should call my mom and she'll tell you that I've driven a stick.
You want to call her right now?
Yeah. Watch her be like, no, you've never driven one. Mom, you remember.
Hi.
Hey, I have a quick question for you.
Yeah.
Can you please tell Erin that I've driven a stick before?
My grandma's? My grand's?
Yeah, that old one, the hatchback or whatever.
I remember that. Yeah, she
Okay,
did.
so you can confirm that I've driven a manual car.
Yes.
I don't care to drive a stick.
Oh, well, no, it's not that fun unless you want to go vroom vroom and take off and pop the clutch.
That's all, Mom. I'm gonna get to it then. Told you.
Okay, so confirmed.
It's been
You've
confirmed.
driven a stick.
I've driven a stick.
All right, you ready to drive another one?
No, I don't really care to. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I need to be a little closer. Where's the little lever guy?
You put the belt behind you.
Yeah.
Do you always do that?
No.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? That defeats the purpose of a seat. I mean, you still have your lap belt, it's more important, but shoot.
Do I have to have the brake right now?
Yeah.
If the clutch is in, though, the brake is good.
So, I would say to use this, but the truth is this thing is shot. It doesn't do anything.
Alright, am I in neutral? No. What am I in?
You're in neutral.
Okay, so I need to go
So, just...
over!
So, put the clutch
Up.
in. So,
Onward,
when you're
though.
shifting, you don't have to go super fast. You can just, hold your clutch in, and then
I'm sorry I'm not as
then you go
strong
neutral.
as you.
you just don't. It's not a race. It's not a race to get in the next.
It's a race to me.
It's definitely not a race.
So can I lift my foot off the brake?
Yeah, you can let off the brake.
And I'm not going to move anywhere because I'm in first gear.
Well, we're on flat ground.
Okay.
If you were on a hill, you would start rolling.
So you'd be very quick when you do brake, clutch, gas. Okay. I'm going. I'm going.
Okay, put it back. Put it neutral. Brake. So you tried to come in too hot with the gas, and then you got scared and let go of the clutch.
You know what this episode reminds me of? The SpongeBob where he's learning to drive and he pokes his big toe out of his shoe.
Oh, gracious. Oh, gracious.
Less gas, more clutch.
Less gas.
Words.
You can't say wrong things.
Less gas.
To me.
Less gas. Clutch in.
Clutch in. Babe, there's so many cars around.
When you feel the car not moving, but you're putting more gas in it like that, let some clutch out.
So am I doing too much gas or not enough clutch?
That was too much gas and not enough clutch let out. Less gas. Less gas.
Less gas? I'm doing it!
There we go. Your drink spilled everywhere. Why'd you bring a drink to learn how to drive a stick?
I was gonna be thirsty. Wait, if I brake, do I have to put the clutch in?
Yes.
Like right now as I'm turning?
No, as long as the car's moving, you don't need clutch.
There's gonna be a car coming, Aaron.
All right, go. Just go.
Go!
Take a left. Take a left. All right.
Okay, clutch in.
Clutch in, hit the brake.
And braking. Didn't kill it to kill the car.
Hey, there you go.
That's a good sign.
Okay.
And then do I put it in neutral?
Yeah, if you want to take the clutch out, put it in neutral. Boom, you're in.
Clutch, and I still have to hold the brake, or we would move.
I
right?
mean, we're on flat ground, so you're okay.
Okay.
You're good.
I let the clutch out all the way.
Okay, I thought you had more gas in it. Clutch it.
Woo!
There you go, he saved it.
Okay. I don't know. That's not a... Okay. So your right foot is the one that only controls... Oh, God. There's a van coming.
I just stop at the stop sign.
Yeah, and then I have to clutch all over again, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's how that works.
And clutch in as
Clutch
I
in.
brake.
Clutching. Yeah. So you felt it die though? Did you feel it die?
I did, but now I have to get it going again.
Uh-huh. There you go.
Whew.
Only $1 that time.
Whew. It's like
It
a
only bumped
rodeo. I told you I could drive a stick.
I wouldn't get that. I wouldn't go that far.
I'm driving it physically. Whee!
Okay, so you're letting the clutch out a little too fast on the end there. Hey!
Oh, I did it!
All right, clutch in.
Clutch in. Clutch in. Why am I doing clutch
You're in
in?
second gear. Let the clutch out.
I don't want to let the clutch out.
Let the clutch out. Let the clutch out.
The clutch is out.
All right, good. All right, let off the gas.
Okay.
Put it back in first gear.
First gear. And
There
then
you go. Keep going straight. Go to the.
do I release
go
the
to
clutch?
Yeah, release the clutch.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna do. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I thought you did already.
And now go where?
Go left.
You need to be quicker at instructions because my brain processes things a lot faster than you can talk.
All right, boys.
Okay.
This is a fun little experiment. I'm sure we're going to do this again. She's not doing a burnout today, but that's okay.
You gotta keep watching
you
though,
did-
to find
We're
out.
going to keep practicing, though, to make sure you don't forget how to do this.
Yeah.
It's
Do I still have to have the clutch in? It's in neutral.
in neutral? No.
Okay.
It's-
Make sure you guys remember to like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.